At heart, I hate sales, to be honest with you. I almost didn't take this job 4 years ago because I had a sales job out of college and I hated it. I gained a lot of weight. I lost a lot of hair. I didn't like the pressure that came with it. I didn't like the some of the dishonesty on my then sales team. And I always had a bad taste in my mouth about sales, even though I have a lot of the skills set that are good for it. So I think that's what makes me a good fit for DataBlend and why I've been there for 4 years. And I promise I'm going to jump right into what DataBlend's all about. But what I love about being a senior account executive at DataBlend is I don't have to be salesy, right? At the heart of what we're doing is solving a friction point for customers, and we're solving problems. And that is something that makes it easy for me to turn on my computer every day and turn it off every night, is knowing that I'm helping the Office of Finance and Accounting make their life a little easier. I think that's important to say because it's an important part about why I'm here today. But about DataBlend, and I think that's actually a good segue, is DataBlend is the ETL tool. That's extract, transform, and load for anyone who doesn't hear that acronym all the time, uh, of data, of financial data for the Office of Finance and Accounting. So if you have data anywhere in your system and you're using a system for a business use case that wasn't up to finance and accounting, what we do is we make it easy to get that data from one system to another on an automated basis, right? And we take away the Excel gymnastics and we take away the manual work that is normally needed for getting data from one to the other, and we get to do it at a pretty affordable price point, which is what you're going to hear me talk about with DataBlend a lot is that what we work to offer through everything we do is peace of mind. Is we're not doing our job if the Office of Finance and Accounting doesn't have peace of mind that our tool is doing what it's supposed to be doing in the background.